Okay, so Snapchat was introduced in 2011 as a platform where you can send messages and also disappearing photographs. And as it's grown, it's begun to present a unique set of problems, including filters which can diminish self-image and trivial news stories which plaster users' front pages. And so what we've created is SnapHack, which is a subscription-based platform that Snapchat can move to, where there are no ads, better news sources, and no filters.
Okay, so our first major problem was privacy, and the main one back in 2017, they created Snap Map, which you guys know is like you can pinpoint your location exactly where you are. And when it first released, everyone's location was automatically on, so a lot of people's details and locations got sent out to a lot of like bad people. So that was our first solution, was to create a default ghost mode, so like your automatically location is off, so nobody can see where you are. And the next one was ads. That Snapchat uses your data to like pinpoint ads that like they think you want to see, but it's not stuff you want to see. So we're going to switch to a subscription-based platform, so that way you can see stuff you want to see instead of them bombarding you with stuff that you don't care about.
And I talked about like the problems that Snapchat gave teens, and like one of them was self-esteem. Because like in society today, we have problems with self-esteem through social media, and like the main app would be like Snapchat. And like some teens were saying like they feel insecure by like filters and like other things that that the Snapchat may offer, and like other teens were also saying like that they feel like they're good, like they're cool when they have filters and other things. And I was just saying that I personally think that this apps need key changes to it, like the snap score, like the ghost mode, like as we were saying, like default mode and things like that.
So the next thing we talked about was the news stories that Snapchat uses. And so in 2015, Snapchat created the Discover feature, which allows creatives, as Snapchat puts them, to create like editorial news stories. And so currently this juxtaposes like sources like the Daily Mail next to things that talk about like trippy videos or celebrity drama. And so this creates a like weird featuring of hard news against soft news, and it like doesn't allow you to distinguish between the two, and it decontextualizes it. And so SnapHack instead uses the subscriptions that you can subscribe to, say like ESPN or the New York Times or NPR for more reputable news sources.
Just so you know, a recurring problem with iPhone usage is a recurring problem of addiction. Smartphones have three functions that help lead to this recurrent behavior problem, which is functionality, and this is done by adding new features and new features on the iPhone, such as Apple Wallet that's improving your reliance on it and making it harder for you to detach from use of it, and also accessibility, as iPhones are getting cheaper, smartphones are getting cheaper and smaller. It's making it easier to have access to it. And then lastly, our main target for one feature is user interface design. Not social media apps have infinite scrolling and also post notifications that ask you to keep a comeback. And this is key features that prohibit people that lead to problems of behavioral addiction. And so with SnapHack, we target this by getting rid of the gamification of your Snap score, and also badges that encourage reuse of snapping people. And
yeah. So while Snapchat might lead users away, SnapHack helps you make real connections with real people.